exactly what it is. It's exactly what it is. Because we're here. You're good.
Oh yeah. Excited. Oh man. Oh, so cool. That's interesting. Interesting bolt. Okay, so I guess we should probably lay it out like a skeleton, all laid out, and then start putting it together. Few months in, and here we go with the second startup. I'm going to give you all a quick drive so you can hear it. So you're going to hear it start and transition into idle.
again, once again, for tuning in. This is Simply Jackman out. This video has taken a while to upload, so I'm just throwing it out so I can move on to the next project. But ideally, I'll roll out the other upgrades I've made to my car. But thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Simply Jackman out.